Hey, it's Bailey Bible here with Industrial Power for another episode of Shop Talk. And today, the store is opening in Lewisville, and we are so excited. We have 30 new bays for you to fill with all of your lovely equipment, anything government. We got refuse, fire, school buses, the whole thing. We are so excited. 2 years in the making, and it's finally here. This facility is an authorized Autocar, Hino, Cummins, and Allison full service and warranty facility. For Allison, we are an authorized overhaul facility as well, which for Industrial Power, we have 2 of the 3 facilities in North Texas, which is amazing. We are super close to all of you guys, right in the middle of DFW. It's really great to have an Allison authorized overhaul facility super close to you guys. You no longer have to just R&R. We can actually break that tranny apart and find the little tiny bushing that's burnt out. We're super excited. So if you are ready to schedule service, please reach out to me directly at 214-277-1590. The address to this facility is going to be in a link right below this video, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.